Deel is a powerful tool for managing remote employee benefits and payroll, and in this quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. If you're managing a remote team and need a streamlined solution to handle everything from paying your global employees to offering them benefits, Deel is your answer. Stick around to the end of this video because I'll also share how you can get an exclusive extended free trial to Deel so you can start using it right away. Deel is designed for businesses that hire employees or contractors from all over the world. It lets you handle global payroll and benefits with ease without the need for setting up local entities in each country. Whether you're managing contractors in different time zones or full-time employees in different countries, Deel centralizes all your payroll and compliance needs in one place. When you first log into Deel, you'll see a simple, user-friendly dashboard. From here, you can create contracts, set pay rates, and define benefits for each remote employee, no matter where they are based. Deel offers various contract options depending on whether you're hiring employees or contractors. For employees, you can choose between full-time or part-time, and Deel will help you stay compliant with local labor laws. One of Deel's standout features is its automated payroll system. You can pay employees in over 120 currencies, and Deel will handle all the taxes, compliance, and legal requirements specific to each country. So you don't need to worry about staying up to date with different country regulations. All payments are processed seamlessly and on time, and your employees can choose to receive payments via bank transfer, PayPal, or even crypto. Another huge benefit of Deel is its ability to manage remote employee benefits. Deel allows you to set up health insurance, paid time off, and retirement plans tailored to the specific country your employee is located in. This takes the guesswork out of offering competitive and compliant benefits for a global workforce. And with Deel, you can also integrate it with tools like Slack, QuickBooks, and Xero, making it even easier to manage your remote team and payroll. Deel also helps you onboard new employees quickly. When you hire someone, you can send out a contract and they can sign it digitally. Deel then handles the entire compliance process, ensuring that the contract meets the legal requirements of their country. This makes onboarding remote employees hassle-free and quick. If you're looking to manage remote employee benefits and payroll, Deel makes it incredibly easy to track all the necessary data and ensure your team stays happy and well compensated. With Deel, you get an all-in-one platform for payroll, benefits, compliance, and more, saving you time and energy while ensuring your remote team is taken care of. By the way, if you're interested in using Deel, make sure to check out the link in the description below. Not only will you get started with Deel, but you'll also get access to an exclusive extended free trial that'll help you get a feel for how Deel can work for your business without any upfront costs. So whether you're a startup or a larger company with a remote team, Deel simplifies everything. It's all about automating complex tasks and ensuring compliance, making it a great choice for businesses looking to scale with remote employees. Don't forget to take advantage of that free trial using the link below and start simplifying your payroll and benefits management today.